People think it's all about saving trees. There's a lot more to it than that. Every project is different. Every project has its own characteristics. This one's really about contamination, groundwater management, noise, dust, that sort of thing, so there's plenty to keep us busy. We start by really identifying what the key environmental risks are for the project. Then we have to develop management plans around that, which is what we've done. We have to advise the team how to roll out and comply with those management plans. We have to gain approvals for the project, and they're a critical part of the overall plan. If we don't get those approvals, the construction may stop, and I certainly don't want to be in that position. So we work very hard to make sure that doesn't happen. We've got a great team working on this project. I certainly enjoy the challenges of this job and working with the people I do, and so far we're going pretty well. Where we're standing now was formerly a part of a wetland chain that started all the way from Yanchep down to Kwinana. It used to be the Lake Kingsford was here in the old days. About the 1860s, the people of Perth started reclaiming that lake and draining it. So we're standing on about 2 to 3 metres of fill, and then we've got the natural lake sediments below us. The groundwater here starts at about 2 to 3 metres below where we're standing. The excavation for the project goes down to about 8 metres, so we've got about 5 or 6 metres of groundwater to dewater. It's all about getting rid of the water within the excavation zone for long enough to keep it dry so the soil can be dug out, the concrete structure's installed and waterproofed, and then once that happens you can stop dewatering. So what the dewatering involves, dewatering bores are drilled. They go down typically to about 14 metres. A submersible pump is put down the bore. We turn the pump on, and there's a connection of pipes that lead to our water treatment plant over here. It will go into these still tanks that clarifies the water. It also treats the water for a pH adjustment to make sure the water chemistry is of good quality before it goes back into the groundwater. Then it gets pumped back through the pipes and back into the ground, but outside the excavation zone. We have an extensive network of monitoring bores. We have to know exactly what the water table's doing as we're constructing. A lot of work goes into the design and modelling and predicting the various forces that will come into play when you start dewatering. So we need to know that our dewatering is behaving as we expect it to in all our bores. And then once every 3 months we do an extensive groundwater quality test.